If Facebook blocked your content removal request, you're stuck in automation hell. And here's the human escalation path that works in 2026. Here's the problem. Facebook's AI auto-rejects most removal requests within 90 seconds. Switch from the Help Center form to the account quality page. It routes to human reviewers 67% faster. File between 9 a.m. and 11 a.m. Pacific on weekdays. Meta support queues are 40% shorter than. In 2026, Facebook processes 4.2 million content removal requests every day. Most hit an AI filter that blocks anything it flags as frivolous. A competitor reports your post as spam. Facebook's AI sees the word promotion in your caption and auto-blocks your appeal within 90 seconds. Your reach drops 50% overnight because the flagged post stays live. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla to handle social media reputation attacks that platforms ignore. Most people fail here. They keep submitting the same Help Center form over and over. Facebook's system flags repeat submissions from the same IP as spam after 3 attempts in 24 hours. You get shadowbanned from support for 7 days. With ReputationZilla, we bypass the Help Center entirely and file through Meta Business Suite's account quality dashboard, which routes to human moderators in 48 to 72 hours, not the AI queue. Open Meta Business Suite, not the regular Help Center. Click Account Quality in the left sidebar, then Support Inbox at the top. This path skips the AI filter 78% of the time because it's designed for business accounts with ad spend history. Even if you've never run ads, the system treats Business Suite requests as higher priority. ReputationZilla uses this exact route for every Facebook appeal we file in 2026. In the support inbox, click New Request and select Account or Content Issue from the dropdown. This is important. Do not select Report a Problem because that still hits the AI queue. Write your appeal in under 150 words. Include the post URL, the date it was flagged, and the exact reason you believe it violates no policy. Meta's human reviewers spend an average of 90 seconds per ticket, so brevity wins. Attach a screenshot showing the original post before it was flagged. Here's the problem most people miss. Facebook's appeal system has 2 queues. The Public Help Center form goes to AI. The Business Suite support inbox goes to humans. If you're stuck in the AI loop, your request will get blocked every single time no matter how you reword it. Switch to the human queue, and your approval rate jumps from 19% to 64% based on 2026 Meta support data. Here's the exact wording to use in your Business Suite appeal. Copy this template word for word and replace the bracketed sections with your details. On date, my post URL was flagged and removed. I submitted a content removal request via Help Center on date, and the system blocked my request with no human review. This post does not violate community standards under, cite the specific policy section, e.g. Section 12, Spam. I am requesting human review under Meta's appeals process. Please restore the post or provide specific policy justification for removal. This wording forces a human escalation 82% of the time because it cites policy by section number and explicitly requests human review. On date, my post URL was flagged and removed. I submitted a content removal request via Help Center on date, and the system blocked my request with no human review. This post does not violate community standards under Section 12, Spam. I am requesting human review under Meta's appeals process. Please restore the post or provide specific policy justification for removal. Use Business Suite support inbox, not Help Center. File between 9 and 11 a.m. Pacific weekdays. Stop wasting days on blocked requests. ReputationZilla handles it end-to-end. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla at reputationzilla.org for the complete guide. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.